Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on parental protection on Google Play Store. And now let's dive right in. Now to enable parental protection on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the screen, just above help and feedback. Tap on settings and you land on this interface where, as you can see, the fourth option where it says parental control. Tap on it, or the family, tap on it, and you can see, guys, when you tap on it, two options appear. One says parental controls and parent guide. Tap on the parental controls. And now, in order to turn on the parental controls or the parental protection on Google Play Store, you'll be required to turn on the toggle icon at the right side of that option. And this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to create a content pin. So in order to create a content pin, enter your pin which you are sure to use or remember, and after that tap on OK, and again reconfirm your pin which you will be using later on while installing the apps. So guys, after turning on the parental controls on Google Play Store, you can see the app and games option available for us over here. Tap on app and games, and you can see, guys, you might want to choose the age of your child for whom you want to enable the parental control or the parental protection over here. So if you want to choose for just 3+ or baby of 3+, then tap on the 3+, and it will be the most respective, and only the apps suitable for babies will be available over here, including the 7+, 12+, and you can optimize your child's age over here. And after doing that, tap on the save button, and the parental controls will be turned on or enabled on your Play Store. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on or enable parental protection on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.